want to take echinacea or whatever it is, and one part of...
Okay guys, find lesson 2. Oh, thank you for closing that.
It's hard to sell it pretty much. What's this cup? Nah? Huh? Stop it. This is not the same thing. I'm gonna hold this. Okay.
Okay,
Half
let me
of
get it
each
in.
one and each one?
No, just go ahead and pour all of the Siberian ginseng and the marshmallow in there.
I have marshmallow.
Well, you can both stir it.
Hey, where's the water? You gonna pour in the water?
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I think that's half. Now you can take your water. Remember to add just a little water at a time.
I can feel it getting thicker. Daddy, I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Okay.
I've added too much. It's turning into little
We'll see.
clumps of stuff.
Good, good. That means it's absorbing the water.
It's turning darker as well.
That's a good observation.
It's like turning into some odd Play-Doh. So,
Play-Doh, yeah, that's what he talked about. Like turning into a stiff Play-Doh.
oh, like a hard Play-Doh.
Uh-huh.
And you heat it up in the oven, and then it explodes and melts.
Okay, maybe not that hard. Okay, we added a little bit too much water, but Daddy had some powder that we could use. I had some other herbs. And we think we have it down to a workable level, so now... Yes. So now what do we do, boys?
We get them and roll them into little balls. Little part of my hand.
Do you think you could just form it with your fingers and squish it together into a ball?
No.
Hey, there's one.
Let's see whose side is winning.
Go, that's good.
It's a really big mess that mine is.
Show me your hands.
Mine's too goopy.
Oh, lovely. Good times.
I'm gonna let you touch it.
You frowned just because I turned the camera on, goofball. Smiles. Well, there's my happy boy. On. Camera on. Camera on. He won't show his smile. Xavier's made a new discovery. Okay, show us how it works.
Squeeze. Turn this into a ball.
So the part that squeezes out through your hands, that's the one you make the medicine with. I think you've just invented a brand new technique, son. Never before discovered. What do you call it?
Squeeze.
The squeeze. All right. You goofball, you know you were having fun. Let's see here. We have. This is gonna be a horse pill right here. This is a big one. And then he said, "Yeah, well, mine are more round. Yeah, but mine are faster. It's because they're good. When they dry out, they're gonna be sharper for us, so we can swallow these nice, happy, sharp pills. That's to toughen up our throats right there."
Before they just broke apart in my hand when I tried to roll them, but you can gently roll them together. Like don't press together your hands, and then they become small. And they actually become round and don't just go splat.
Hey, buddy, what do you think of that label? Well, it's hard to see through that blanket. Are you a teenager already? It's kind of early to be a teenager at 9. What do you think of that label? You get to put the label on. Okay, put our label on. Now hold it up and show it to us.